Hello everyone, welcome to week 6 of your course Applied Statistics. Hope you are doing well and everything went well so far for you and during this course. In this video, I want to talk about your assignments for week 6 of your course because you need to do one group learning engagement and also you need to submit your second case study. Let me share my screen for you. Okay, this is your week 6 for the course Applied Statistics. As you see, your third group learning engagement is designed for this week. And in this group learning engagement, I think it's gonna be an interesting play for you because I tried to design activity for you and it has a lot of, you can find a lot of fun for these assignments. At first, you need to find your interest about the data. You need to make sure about the data availability for these assignments. It doesn't matter your data is old or new, but what is important for me, it's originality of your data. It means you need to gather real data because you need to you need to develop an inference for population, for that particular population that you are interested in. First, you need to gather your data, for example, about the people, about the human subject matter data, such as the psychology, for example, about your interest about the operating systems of cell phones. How many percentage of American people prefer Android? How many percentage of teenagers prefer iOS operating system? How many percentage of Americans are included in pre-diabetes diagnosis? And what is your guess? What is your statement about the American, for example, people, BMI, body mass index, and about your any country, any population? But at first, you need to determine your population. Are you interested in working on American people, American population, American industries? Or for example, Nigerian or Indian or any students, males, females. You need to determine a population for yourself, gather data for your population. You can find data from the website that I shared with you, or you can find any data from the different national public websites that they are related to governments. You can find very good, reliable data from that kind of websites. And then in a group of your team, you are in a team. So for example, you are 3 in a team. Each of you can develop a statement or claim about the population. For example, I say that more than 60% of teenagers in the United States prefer working with iOS system instead of, for example, Android. This is my claim. I need to gather data about the frequency of people in a sample. I need to gather data in a sample. That's why this is a type of assignments that you need to do hypothesis testing. It means you need to create your hypothesis about the population parameter. Population parameter can be mean, for example, weight, BMI, salary, money, account balance, due payments. So you need to find your population and then develop a statement or claim about the population parameter. Population parameter can be a mean or proportional population. How many percentage can be as a proportion? And then for testing your claim, for example, you have 3 different conflicts. A statement about the population. For example, in a group of Kemi, Eric, and Omar, Eric say, American people BMI is more than 25. Kemi said, American people BMI is less than 24. And Omar says American people BMI is more than 26. There are 3 different statements. And now it's time. Who's right? We need to gather sample of data. You cannot study all population. Hypothesis testing is designed to test your claim about the population parameter. So you need to gather the sample of data and then use appropriate statistics to test your claim about the population. Which one is rejected and which one is not rejected in your hypothesis testing processes. This is a story of hypothesis testing. Don't worry about the timing because you need to at first gather your data, formulate your hypothesis, and then tomorrow night, I will let you know how to calculate the statistics using Excel functions. So there is no worry about the timing because I can extend the time for you till Thursday noon or Thursday evening. So no worries about the time. I will extend the time for you because what I expect you is completing the qualified, high quality, high standard practice and assignments. And finally, and 95% as a confidence and 5% significance level would be good for your test. And you can try with different significance level, for example, in 5%, in 1%. Sometimes we don't reject our null hypothesis in 5%, but it will be rejected in 1% significance level. So you can play with these numbers as a game and then report me the result in your group presentation. The other assignments that you need to fulfill for this week is your second case study. Second case study is a extended part of your first case study. You need to do some inferential analysis on your data, on the data that you did descriptive analysis for your first case study. And what I expect you to do for second case study is developing confidence interval and also doing one hypothesis testing on your population parameter. So it's not many things to do. You need to just prepare a report for me on Word document. Make sure that your Grammarly is set up on your system and is open for your Word document writing, because I will check your writing using Grammarly. I heard that some of you, actually few of you has not installed their Grammarly yet. Is not good for you because your final research paper and also your case study and all your reports that you submit in this system is checked by Grammarly, and it's time to start working with Grammarly. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, concern, and if there is any confusion on your assignments, please let me know. See you tomorrow night. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.